In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Apple Pay cash to bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your Apple Cash balance into your bank, what each transfer option means, and a few tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your Apple Pay cards live. Find and tap your Apple Cash card to bring up its details. On the top right corner, tap the three dots to access more options and settings for Apple Cash. Next, choose Card Details, then tap Bank Account. If you've never linked a bank before, you'll be prompted to add one. Enter your bank's routing number and your account number carefully. You can usually find these in your banking app or on a paper statement. Take a moment to double check for typos. Even a single wrong digit can cause delays or failed transfers. If a bank account is already linked, you're good to go. Now go back to the Apple Cash screen and tap Transfer to Bank. Type in the amount you want to move. You can transfer your full balance or just part of it, as long as it doesn't exceed your available Apple Cash. When you're ready, tap Next. You'll now see your transfer options. Instant transfer moves the money quickly, typically within minutes, and includes a small fee. This is great when you need funds right away. The 1-3 business days option is a standard bank transfer that's free and usually arrives within a couple of days, depending on your bank and whether it's a weekend or holiday. Pick the option that best fits your timing and cost preferences. Select the account or card you want to send the money to. Instant transfers generally use an eligible debit card, while the 1-3 business days option sends the money to your linked bank account. If you don't see the method you want, make sure that card or account is properly added in your wallet settings. Finally, tap Transfer and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This security step authorizes the movement of funds and protects your account. After confirmation, your Apple Cash balance will be transferred based on the option you selected. You can keep an eye on your bank for the incoming deposit, and you'll typically see a status update in Wallet as well. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.